Pull-ups. Adopt an overhand, roughly shoulder width grip of the bar. Choose a bar that you can hang freely from. Keep the butt squeezed and the hips pushed forwards and locked out. Squeeze the shoulder blades together throughout the movement and visualise pulling the bar down to your chest, keeping the chest up high and proud throughout the movement. Bodyweight pull-ups and chin-up variations are very difficult and require a good bit of strength that you may not have if you're just starting out. If that's the case, simply choose a resistance band. The thicker, the easier the exercise will become. Attach it to the bar as shown. Hook it round the knee and ensure you push the knee down and lock the hips out by pushing the butt forward throughout the movement. All the same fundamentals of a pull-up or chin-up apply. The band will assist you on this exercise. As you get stronger, decrease the resistance band until eventually you can phase it out and you have the strength to complete the exercise bodyweight.